Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how you can blur sensitive information from a document. It could be a bank statement, some kind of a purchase receipt or a screenshot, anything you don't want people to see. Let's say you have been asked to provide some kind of a purchase receipt and you don't want them to see some sensitive information. So I'm going to show you how to do this in GIMP pretty fast and easy. If you're new to GIMP, just go get GIMP from gimp.org. I'm going to include the link in the description. Once you have installed it and started GIMP, then you go to the image you would like to edit. And I have a couple of bank statement templates here. I think this one had more information in it, so I'm going to use this one. Now you can see here we have some transactions, some other information. Let's say this is, I think, a balance. So let's say I don't want them to see my balance. I don't want them to see some of my transactions here. They don't need to see this. How do I quickly censor this in a way? So using this tool, the rectangular select tool, you click on this. Then let's zoom in a little bit, holding down the shift key and turning the mouse wheel forward or backwards. We are zooming in and out. With this tool, we just click with the left mouse button and drag. And then we can also, once we release the mouse, we can see these kind of rectangles around the selection. We could edit this selection in case you don't like what you have, you can edit it. Next, I want to, instead of applying the effect on each individual selection, I can just select everything at once. And to do this, I hold down the shift key and you can see in the middle here, my cursor, the plus sign appears. This means I can add to the selection. So hold down the shift key. And let's say I don't like this one. And again, I can edit my selection if I like. Then hold down the shift key again, add this one here, release the shift key. Now I can hold it again. And let's say I don't like them to see this one. So once I'm happy with all the selection, I just click the enter key to apply the last selection as well. Now all of the selection is applied. I go to filters, blur, and choose the pixelize option. And this immediately will show you the preview here. I think if you turn this off, you can not see it, but if you have the preview on, it will immediately show you how it's going to look like. If you're happy with it, just click OK. In case you're not happy with it, you can tweak some of the settings here and see how that's going to look like. I think this is great because it just makes the information unreadable, so it's perfect. Just click OK and then go to select, none, or you can use the Shift Ctrl A keyboard shortcut. Click on that, that removes any of the selection, and then we are ready to export our file and share it with whoever wants to see it. Or you can just override the original image, but be careful because this way you lose the original image. So that's it, pretty quick, pretty easy way to just censor any information you don't want people to see. And that's it for this video, guys. If it was useful, I hope you like it, leave a comment, visit the channel for much more videos, subscribe if you're new, I appreciate that a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.